Hi, everyone. I wanted to see if a computer will ever be able to read pulmonary function tests from a scanned image or a PDF. So here we have a scanned image, and I have 30 copies of the same pulmonary function test. It is a difficult process for the computer to read a scanned image because, unlike a PDF, you can't just copy and paste the text. So I did a little bit of research to see what could be done. And here, by using some Python modules and methods, I created a function called read pulmonary function testing, which takes a file and then it breaks down that image file into hundreds and thousands of pixels, following which it extracts the texts and then it goes down line by line. Then it tries to find the word spirometry and then using some what we call list methods in Python, it extracts the FEV1%, the FEV1 in liters, the FVC percent, and the lower limit of normal. Then it returns a string that basically just states that this is the FEV1%, FVC percent, and the FEV1 in liters. It also calls in a function to determine if there's an obstruction, and it returns whether there's an obstruction or absence of obstruction. This function is very simple, and it's defined over here. It's taking in these two parameters. It's comparing if the FEV1 is less than the lower limit of normal. And if that condition is met, it will return a string that there is presence of obstructive lung disease. If not, it will return a string that there is no evidence of obstruction. Now, let's say the practice has 100 pulmonary function tests a day. A tech just puts them in a folder, and let's see what we can do with this. This is a very short program which will compile the list of all the image files or PDF files in the folder. It will open each file and go through it by calling the read pulmonary function test function. And then it will log the results as an interpretation into a log file. This will take a little longer than usual because this is an image and not a PDF. If these were PDF files, it would have taken lesser amount of time. So let's see how long this will take. Any guesses? There we go. As you can see, it's taking about half a second for it to go through each pulmonary function test, convert the image into text, extract the data, and then interpret the pulmonary function testing. Let's check out the log. Here are all the results. It is the same result because it is the same pulmonary function test. So 30 PFTs in 12.85 seconds. Beat that. Pretty amazing.